Okay, this is the new Linkr LT1. This is what the app looks like. I want to go ahead and hit lock. You'll hear it chirp. Look how quick it is. Very fast. I'm going to hit unlock. Okay. Remote start the car. I programmed it for diesel. So this is a diesel. It will tell you the time that it's running. It tells you right there the time that it's running. Okay. Vehicle location gives you the map. Look how fast it is. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the car. The truck. Well, actually it's here. Actually it was right here. Turn it on is here, turn it off is here. It's pretty quick. I'm very impressed with the system. So look how quick it is. It's almost like if you're doing it from the remote control in your car. Extremely fast. And then look how fast the map works. It's pretty impressive. This is the new Linkr LT. You can select, it has all the selections of all the vehicles. You can change the color or whatnot. It tells you the signal of the unit. It tells you the voltage of the battery. This unit is AT&T towers. It uses AT&T. That's probably why it's real quick. Watch how quick it is. There's really no lag on it. I did the remote start. You already hear the pump. They did it instantly. The delay you're gonna see is the the diesel delay that I had to do because the car is diesel. So it's a 10-second delay before it hits the crank. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and arm the unit. Show you guys the text alert when it comes in. Go ahead and shut off the phone, and that's when it sends you a few notifications to let you know the alarm is going off. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty cool. The alerts come in pretty fast, I would say. So there you have it.